Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on S&P 500 index. My dear friends, this index is currently on a verge of breakdown due to multiple negative factors trigger on the index simultaneously. As a result, it gives us an opportunity to short sell this index. We can initiate and short selling position before a downside corrections get starts. Index is already trading near to an important support level, and if that level get break along with multiple negative factors that have been already materialized, then we could see a massive downside corrections, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock, to short sell this index before a big corrections get trigger on the downside. And my dear friends, if we'll make a closer look over here, this was a bottom where index has given a massive upside rally in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the index was trading on this upward sloping parallel channel, the index got triggered with back to back higher highs. If you could see over here, the first higher high is registered here, the second higher high is third, fourth, and the last higher high is over here. And as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, first time its higher highs got threatened on closing basis, and that give us an confirmation that stock is under pressure, and stock has confirmed that it's officially under corrections. And here we got a two major negative signal, friends, and this was an area where game started to change from the buyer side into the seller side. And the two major negative signal was the upper sloping parallel channel got triggered down on the downside, and the second negative signal is the higher highs shifted to lower lows. And whenever we identify the higher highs getting shifted into a lower lows, then we take that as a confirmation that index is under corrections. And then the very first thing we do when we see higher highs into a lower lows, we will immediately cut down our buy position, or we will take a profit book, but we will never ever stand on the buy side. In fact, we will look as an opportunity to short sell that assets, we will short sell that index. And my dear friends, I will show you the third negative signal. If you place an indicator over here, if you'll see the RSI indicator or MACD indicators, even the indicators is also showing you a negative signal. If you'll see, the price action had given the higher highs over here, but the same thing is getting miss out on the RSI. If you see the RSI, it's a flat, there is no higher highs, there is no higher highs how we have seen in the price action, but the same thing is getting missed out on the RSI, and that is a negative diversion. And this is an area of breakdown for negative diversion where we could see the more downside pressure. And my dear friends, here we will see the chart pattern, even the chart pattern which has been emerged over here, the chart pattern which emerge on the chart, it's also a negative chart pattern. My dear friends, if you'll see over here, you'll be able to identify an head and shoulder pattern. If you'll see over here, this is an shoulder, this is a left shoulder, this is an head, and this is a right shoulder, my dear friends. If you'll see over here, you will be clearly witnessing an head and shoulder pattern over here, and this is a neckline. This is a neckline which got trigger over here, but the thing is that you have to wait. Don't blindly just go and short sell the index. No, you, otherwise this will be an immature trade and you will get trapped. You have to wait for a neckline to get close. You have to wait for this neckline, you have to wait for this area to get broken down. We need a close below this neckline, and then you will see a more downside from here. So I will make this into a yellow color so that it will be easy to identify. So my dear friends, this is a neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. This is a head and shoulder pattern, and this is the neckline. So we will wait this neckline to get trigger, to get thread, to get close below this 5835. We will wait for enclosing below $5835. The moment we will see, then there is a big downfall is ready for the index. The very soon first target you will see on this index will be $5716, and after that you may also witness the target of 5678. And there could be a possibility that index can come over here. It may get consolidated. There is a possibility that the index may came over to this area. It may take in support, and it will get consolidate over here, and then it may again came to retest the neckline. And then if you'll find a negative candlestick pattern over here, and then that negative candlestick pattern get break on the downside, then you will get a second opportunity to short sell this index, and then you will find a more downside area over here. So there could be a possibility where you can expect and bounce over here. Till that, the bounce will get fizzle out somewhere near to this neckline area, and then again it will start downside. And if this area also get, if this area also get threat, if the stock didn't take support over here, and if it's getting down more side, then you will see a more deep downside corrections, and that could come eventually till 5400 also. But make sure this is a very strong support. This should not get, threat by closing basis. If two consecutive red candle close below this area, then there is a high probability that you will see index soon reaching to this area. So my dear friends, I had given you every levels where the bounce will come. I had given you every levels where again you can short sell, and I had given you every levels where you can take profit on the downside. So my dear friends, it's very clear. And I also want to update you that this will be the stop loss area for the short sellers, and this I will mark in red colors. If the index close above 6042, if the index will give you close about this level, then there may be a possibility then you can see a short covering on the upside. But there are very rare chances, because this index is already trading near to this important neckline, and it may get break at any time very soon. And for my dear friends, also I want to update you that the once this level get breakdown on the closing basis, then this area will turn into an important resistance. So far this area is an important support, but if that will get break, then this important support will turn into an important resistance. And my dear friends, I want to update you that this and why the important support will change into an important resistance if it's break, because multiple negative factors got trigger over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel, the upper sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside. This was an area where we have identified the higher highs shifted to lower lows. This was an area where we have witnessed the negative diversion between the price action and the RSI indicators. And this is an area where we have seen the negative chart pattern, head and shoulder patterns. It's all we are waiting for and confirmation to get the neckline break. The moment neckline will get break, this head and shoulder pattern will get active to trade on the downside. And my dear friends, if you like my analysis, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel to motivate me. If you subscribe my channel, then it gives me more motivations to make a more respectful content for you, to make a more useful content for you, so that you can earn a more profit, my dear friends. Thank you. Bye bye.